Hi everyone! Today, we're going to walk through how to replace the exhaust pipe on a Lexus RX350. This can be a straightforward job if you have the right tools and follow these steps carefully. Replacing a rusty or damaged exhaust pipe can improve your vehicle's performance and reduce unwanted noise. First, let's talk about safety. Always work in a well-ventilated area. Wear safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is cool before you start. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Use sturdy jack stands on a level surface. Secure the vehicle properly. Now, for the tools and materials you'll need. Gather a jack, 2 reliable jack stands, a wrench, and socket set, preferably metric sizes. You'll also need penetrating oil, a wire brush, a pry bar, a new exhaust pipe specifically for your Lexus RX350, new exhaust gaskets, and new bolts or springs if they don't come with the new pipe. Sometimes, a cutting tool might be necessary if the old pipe is rusted solid, but we aim for a bolt-on replacement. Once you have everything ready, lift the front or rear of your Lexus RX350, depending on which section of the exhaust pipe you are replacing. Place the jack stand securely under the vehicle's frame. Give the car a gentle shake to ensure it's stable. Locate the section of the exhaust pipe you need to replace. It will run under the car. Look for the connections where it bolts to other exhaust components, like the catalytic converter or muffler. You'll also see rubber hangers supporting the pipe. Spray all the bolts and nuts you plan to remove with penetrating oil. Let it soak for a good 10 to 15 minutes. This will help loosen any rusted fasteners. While it's soaking, you might need to disconnect any oxygen sensors, O2 sensors, if they are attached to the exhaust pipe section you are removing. Gently twist the sensor to unplug its electrical connector. Be careful not to damage the wires. Next, use your wrench and socket set to loosen and remove the bolts. They might be stubborn, so apply steady pressure. If a bolt breaks, you might need to drill it out later, but hopefully, the penetrating oil does its job. Once the bolts are loose, carefully pry the exhaust pipe off the rubber hangers. A pry bar can be useful here. Support the pipe as you remove the last hanger or bolt to prevent it from falling suddenly. Remove the old, damaged exhaust pipe from under the vehicle. Now it's time to install the new exhaust pipe. Compare the new pipe with the old one to ensure they are identical. Clean any mating surfaces on the remaining exhaust components with a wire brush. This ensures a good seal. Place new exhaust gaskets onto the connection points. Carefully lift the new exhaust pipe into position. Attach it to the rubber hangers first. This helps support the pipe while you align the bolt holes. Insert the new bolts, but only hand tighten them for now. This allows for some adjustment. Once all bolts are in place, gradually tighten them down evenly. Do not over-tighten, as this can strip the threads or damage the gaskets. After the new pipe is securely bolted, reattach any oxygen sensors you disconnected earlier. Ensure their electrical connectors click firmly into place. Double-check all connections and hangers. Make sure the exhaust pipe isn't rattling against any other vehicle components. Start the engine and listen for any exhaust leaks. You might hear a hissing sound if there's a leak. If you find one, tighten the bolts further or check the gasket seating. Once you are satisfied there are no leaks, turn off the engine. Carefully lower your Lexus RX350 off the jack stands. Remove the jack stands and then fully lower the vehicle. Take it for a short test drive, listening for any unusual noises. And that's it. You've successfully replaced your Lexus RX350 exhaust pipe. We hope this guide was clear and helpful for your DIY project. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found this information useful, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your questions or tips, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful automotive guides. We appreciate your